Guys, welcome back. We're now on the second part of this lesson, and this is the area examples. Okay, so we're now going to examine the effect that scale factor has on the area of a rectangle. All right, so this problem says a rectangle with the area of 56 is dilated with a scale factor of 0.5. That lets me know that it's going to be a reduction because the scale factor is less than 1. What will be the area of the image? Okay, so here we go. So this is a little bit different because area. What do we know about area? Because area, it says area, not perimeter. We know that area, we know that A equals length times width. All right. So in this particular example, we know that the area is 56. So we need to find two numbers that's multiplied together that gives you 56. So if I'm gonna jot my steps down here, and I'm gonna maybe enlarge this. So step one, find two numbers whose product, I know that's not correct grammar, O-S-E, whose product is 56, okay? So two numbers that equal 56. Now this is where this gets difficult or complex. Just pick two numbers. Now there's more numbers. There are multiple numbers or multiple sets of numbers that you can get in this example that's going to give you 56. And I'm going to work both examples. But I don't want to confuse you. So I'll work one and then I'll work the other. Now remember, this is going to be a reduction. Okay? So let's start off. Well, we know 8 and 7. 8 and 7. What else? 56. 56 does it is it divisible by 4? Let's do this. Let's go with 4 and 14. So let's go with 4 and 14 here. See the text box? Let's say that this side is 14 and another text box and this side is 4. All right? So we've done step one. We got two numbers whose product equals 56. Step two. Why is this not writing? Step two, we're going to multiply. We're going to multiply both numbers by the scale factor. And I'm going to use SF. Okay? So 14, and I'll use a calculator this one time, but I want you guys to use it because I don't want you to make mathematical errors. So you got 14 times 0.5, and that's 7. 4 times 0.5 is 2. So that lets me know that the location of, I'm sorry, not the location. I'm thinking of on a coordinate grid. That lets me know that this side is going to be 2. And then this side is going to be 7. And I guess technically I could have put the 2 over here, but remember, we know that that other side is 2 as well. All right. So now, step 3. Multiply to 2 to find the area of the, so I'm going to move this screen down. So step 3 is to multiply the two numbers of the image to find the area of the new image. Okay, 7 times 14. I'm sorry, 7 times 2 is 14. Therefore, the area of the new image is 14. I'm not going to do this for the second example, but I will do this for the first example. There are multiple numbers that you can use to find the area of a square. For example, I use 14 and 4 on this example, and if you so desire to screenshot that, then you can. Oh, hold on. So hold on. The area equals. Let's do this. A equals 14. Okay. All right. So now let's say that I used a different set of numbers. Okay. I'm going to delete that and I'm going to delete this and I'm going to leave those text boxes in place. But let's say that I chose 28 and 2. Because 28 times 2 also gives you 56. Okay. So if I use 28 and 2, we're now going to dilate the scale factor by 1/2, which is 0.5. So I'll show you this one time. So 28 divided by, well, I'm sorry, 28 times 0.5. Look at it, it's 14. 2 times 0.5 is 1. So the new points, or the new numbers for our image according to 28 and 2 is now 14 and 1. Step 2. So we did step 1. We found two numbers that gave 56, 28, 2. We did step 2, multiply both numbers by scale factor, and that gives me the new numbers. So step 3, now we're going to multiply these two numbers to get the area of the image, and 14 times 1 is 14. I did that to show you that no matter what numbers you pick, you're still going to end up with the same area. Okay, let's work one more example, and I'll work this one quickly. What rectangle with the area, let's change that, what that should say, hey, well, we'll leave it there. What rectangle with the area of 81 units dilated with the scale factor of 3? What will be the area of the new image? Now, that grammar is all wrong on that problem. Forgive Mr. George. Please don't shoot me for that one, all right? Love y'all anyways. So, area. Let's copy down our steps. Let's get down our steps. Copy our steps. And I want to paste my steps because you want to follow your steps. I don't know what my steps at. Did it keep my steps up there? Here we go. I don't know why my steps is doing this, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. Steps don't want to act right for me. All right, step 1. Find two numbers whose product equal, well, it's not 56. It is now 81. So perhaps I should have said find two numbers that equal the area of the pre-image. That's what I should have said. Find two numbers whose product equals the area of the pre-image. And the area of the pre-image is 81. And I'm gonna use the simple one. I was gonna do it. Do I want to do it? I don't think I'm gonna do it. I was gonna use 9 and 9. I was gonna use 9 and 9. But that wouldn't be a direct rectangle. Let's use 27 and 3. Let's use 27 and 3. Okay. Now we know that it should get bigger because the scale factor is greater than 1. So we know we're gonna have a bigger rectangle this time. Okay. All right, so we've done step 1. Now we're going to multiply both of these by the scale factor. And the scale factor is 3. And so 27 times 3 is 81. And 3 times 3 is 9. So we're now looking at 81. And this is 9. That's step 2. Step 3. Now we're going to multiply the two new numbers of the image to find the area of the image. So now we're going to multiply 81 times 9 to find the area of this one. 81 times 9. That's 729. Therefore, the area of our new rectangle is 729. All right, so listen, guys, check this out. That's it for this. There's a lot in there, but this is not a very difficult topic, not a very difficult concept. So now what I want you to do is I want you to go ahead and meet me over in the Kick now, and let's work on these area work problems. All right, I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.